Hey guys, this is the Miracle-Gro dual chamber compost bin, and I'm gonna unbox it here and show you everything that is inside. I'm doing it inside because it's a little cold outside. Yeah, I've got time to do it in here now. So these are the end pieces. This is a support piece. The little paddles that go inside that stir it up. Mine looks like it came with some gloves, various parts, and this is the little braking system that comes with it. A wire rod. Here are some of the side pieces, and this one is actually the lid piece. Here's the other set and the green lid. Actually, it shows you how to put it together if you scan that QR code. And the legs. So I will get this thing assembled and check back with you. There's 2 chambers, and together it's 70 liters, which means nothing to me because I'm from America, but you know, still 70 liters. So I guess that figures up to some gallons. But anyways, it's enough for me. And yeah, so this stuff, gonna get to work on composting. So what, a couple of things is that each side, it says it takes between 4 and 6 weeks to make compost, and it does so because this thing is black and I can feel it, and it's like 40 degrees outside, but this is warm to the touch. So the sun heats it and it kind of cooks the compost, and then it makes compost and turns it into something that you can sprinkle on your garden. Now, a couple of things is that it's better if you were to use some compost starter. There's, I guess, some microbes and stuff that you can throw in there and get it going. And I'm gonna get some of that as soon as I can. But for now, I've just got it in here and it's rotting or whatever it's doing in there by itself. But then when you're ready, you open this up. And now this thing does come off kind of easy, so you have to be careful how you do it. But when you're ready, you just dump it forward and down, and you can get the compost out of the bottom. But you're gonna wanna leave a little bit of the compost in here when you're done, and that'll help the next batch of compost start. It gives it a little bit of microbes to get started on the composting. So do, you know, one side, depending on where you live. I'm from Texas, so this will get hot. Probably 4 weeks on one side, 4 weeks on another. So I'll probably just alternate every month, and that's pretty much it. There are these green paddles that stick through. Let me show you those. So as you turn it, it kind of stirs it a little bit better than just, you know, turning it over and over and rolling it around. So it does kind of mix it up as it goes. So that's handy. There are these brakes on the side, so if you get it into the right position, you can pop the brake out, and that keeps it from rolling. Actually, that's a good idea here. So I'm gonna do that, and then get it to a certain position, pop the brake in, and then it's set in place. So now it's locked where I want it. I can use this side, I can use that side, roll it around every once in a while, and start making your own compost at home. So there it is. Thanks for watching, and check out this product on Amazon.